This is the 1997 Mitsubishi Delica camper pop-up top KB P05T. It has the 4D 56 engine, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel with an automatic transmission. This Delica has 65,091 miles. It does come with 3 doors. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the front part of the vehicle. We'll take a look at the rear of the vehicle and then take a look at the frame. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. It does go away as well. This vehicle does come in kilometers. This number right here, 104,754, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 65,091. I am going to go ahead and show you the rear of the vehicle. We'll start with here. So it does come with a toilet, a shower. This floor does come up. You can use this from the sink to use it as your shower. It does come with a lot of storage. Also, it comes with the pop-up top. You can unzip this part of it all the way around, and it will just be a screened in. This is an area where you can sleep. And then it just pulls down when you're finished with it. And you're just going to loop it back through. Bear with me. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We are going to go ahead and start on the driver's side. Thank you guys for taking the time to check these videos out. We appreciate you guys. Have a blessed and safe day.